This is a story I heard from my father when I was probably about 10 years old. And through the years, it was told by others in the family. He was born in 1904 in Warsaw. And while in Cheder there, in 1914, when he was 10 years old, I think this was about 1 year before Witlieb Peretz died, he was in a contest held in Warsaw, in which the students had to translate Russian and Polish works into Yiddish. And my father won the contest. And the big prize is this 10-year-old Pisher. We go up to visit Peretz. He goes to Peretz, and Peretz, congratulates him. And father's, told me he was a little petrified, but there. And then Peretz says to him, here's your first prize. And he gives him a pen. And my father looks downcast. And Peretz says, "Was ist der Mehr?" And I can't do any more Yiddish, but then my father says, "To tell you the truth, I need a shirt." So Peretz went down, bought him a shirt.